Hello guys, this is your healthy lifestyle coach, Sports Complex. In this video, we will show you a simple exercise to help your body function better. Follow along to bring back healthy movement. The single-leg hip hinge exercise strengthens the gluteus medius, helping to improve your hips and knees stability. Stand a step away from a wall and lean your right side against it. Bend your right elbow to 90 degrees and press it into the wall for support. Plant your right foot firmly on the floor to keep balanced. Tighten your core by pulling your belly button gently towards your spine. Inhale as you hinge at your right hip, stretching your left leg straight back and behind your right leg. Move slowly, feeling the stretch and engagement in your right glute. Exhale as you straighten your right hip and bend your left knee, bringing it forward and across your body. Focus on squeezing your right glute. Keep pressing your right foot into the floor for stability throughout the movement. Perform as many reps as you can while maintaining good form. Alternate sides and repeat the sets until you complete 30 reps per side.